Hey, it's Scott Young here. Hope you're doing well. So, you've heard some things about affiliate marketing, right? Maybe you've seen some wild money claims online about people making thousands of dollars a week. Are those the exceptional people, or can ordinary people actually make that kind of money through affiliate marketing? Now, I've seen everyone from auto mechanics to heart surgeons change careers to affiliate marketing and make more money than they ever had before and be happier than they ever were before. In most careers, you're trading your time for your money. And the problem there is that there's only so many hours in a day, so your earnings are always going to be capped by the number of hours that you can work. Even a heart surgeon is capped by the number of heart surgeries that he or she can do in any one day. But an affiliate marketer has the ability to create passive income that can actually grow month over month as time goes by without adding any additional work into the business. Before I tell you the secret of how to succeed in affiliate marketing, it's important that you understand exactly how affiliate marketing works. Affiliate marketing is simply connecting buyers who have a need or a problem with a product that's going to solve their problem or their need. And the affiliate marketer earns a commission by connecting that person with the need to the product that solves their need. Well, what does this have to do with your success as an affiliate marketer? If you are passionate about a particular subject, you can learn to teach people about that subject as long as you are passionate about something, have a topic that you're very interested in, then you can actually succeed in affiliate marketing. Whether that's video games, sewing, personal finance, weight loss, or really anything. If you're passionate about something, you can actually learn to teach people useful things about that topic. And as you teach people, they get to know, like, and trust you. Then you have the opportunity to recommend products to them in your area of passion and interest. And because your customers know, like, and trust you, they will take your recommendations to buy products that you're recommending to them, and you'll make steady commissions day in and day out. Here's an example. Let's say you're really passionate about health and fitness. You love to talk about health and fitness, you like to write about it. So you have a blog where you write interesting and helpful articles about health and fitness. Within those articles, you recommend products and services that are going to help your customers along in their journey to health and fitness. Each time they click on one of those links in your articles and buy a product, you earn a commission as an affiliate marketer. It's great. Your visitor or your customer finally finds a product that actually solves the need that they have, and you earn a commission for doing it. Now imagine you filled this blog with tons of useful and helpful articles for your visitors over a period of time, let's say 3 to 6 months, and the affiliate links in these articles are driving sales and profits to your bank account every day. Now, what happens if you decide to go on a 2-week vacation? Well, those articles will still be there working for you day and night, 24/7, sending sales and profits continually to your bank account while you're on vacation. So no longer are you trading time for money, but that one article that you wrote with an affiliate link is continuing to pay you for years and years. And anyone can do it. As long as you have an interest and a passion about something, then I guarantee you there are dozens and dozens of products within your passion and interest area that other people are going to want to buy that you could recommend to them. So whether you create a blog or promote products through a YouTube channel or on Instagram or TikTok, creating content that you are passionate about is going to resonate with people, with your followers, with your audience. And as they get to know, like, and trust you, they are going to take your recommendations to purchase products. And the market is so huge that even in a small sub niche, you can easily make a 6-figure income. Just like in any business, you want to make sure that you're getting the right training from people who have already been successful in the area that you want to be successful in. I found a super high quality training and mentorship program by a guy who actually is successful in this field, and it has really helped me get on the path to a 6-figure income. If you want to check it out, I'm going to put a link in the description below this video. It's going to give you the step-by-step A to Z blueprint for how to succeed as an affiliate marketer. So no pressure, totally up to you, but I hope you'll check it out. Take care.